Hi there, this is Diane Sanders again with Sanders Family Real Estate, here today with buyer tips. Today's buyer tip is about what to do and not to do during your loan process. Listen carefully. I have had many instances where the loan just was collapsed, closed, crashed because buyers did something simple they weren't supposed to do during their loan transaction. I know none of us like anyone telling us what we can do and what we can't do, but you're getting money from somebody, so we need to play by their rules. They have to verify lots of stuff. There's lots of channels they have to go through, lots of regulations they have to follow to get you this money. So first of all, guys, number one, don't change jobs during your transaction. I've had this happen during a transaction, and what it did in this case, it only delayed the closing about 30 to 40 days. But a lot of times you may think, you're changing jobs, I'm getting a better job, I'm making more money. There's no reason I have to tell my loan officer. Wrong! They have to verify everything. So first of all, try not to change jobs. If you have to change jobs, please communicate that with your loan officer. The second one is, don't buy a car or a van unless you're planning on living in it. Yes, I had this happen at a closing with my seller. Someone walked in during the transaction. We were almost through and they said, stop. They looked at the buyer. Did you buy a van last night? Oh yeah, I did. I got a good deal. Well, you know what I thought? I hope you enjoy living in it. So don't do anything like that during your transaction. Do not close or open any new credit cards or lines of credit during your transaction. Yes, I know we all think closing a credit card will help. Sometimes it actually lowers your credit score. So don't do anything like that during the transaction. Or, I'm not a loan expert, if you're going to do something like that, talk to your loan officer. They're your friend. They're trying to help you get this loan. Don't change your closing date or any of the major terms in your contract without talking to your loan officer. Yes, they have to be in the know. Everything they do goes on a timeline, a very strict timeline. There's a domino effect when you're getting your loan. One thing here could crash everything or cause everything to be delayed down the road. Don't co-sign for anyone. That's like opening a form of credit. I know you have friends, you have relatives, you have kids that are getting a great deal on X, Y, or Z. Have them wait on that great deal if they need your assistance with co-signing. Don't co-sign during your loan transaction. It's okay to get a gift of funds during the transaction from your mom, from your pop, from your grandma, from someone like that. That's fine. Just discuss it with your loan officer. Be sure they know. And you're going to need a gift letter, documentation. Everything has to be documented financially during the loan. On that note, one last thing. Don't make any funky deposits that you can't track. Everything over probably about $200 or $300 has to have a paper trail. If you sell this beautiful leather couch somewhere online and get $500 cash and deposit it, voila, we have a problem. So be careful, at least be cognizant about that. And don't hesitate to call your loan officer about anything you're concerned about. They're your friend. Thank you again, guys. This is Diane Sanders at Sanders Family Real Estate.